Welcome to the quality practice area. This includes 5 areas that we think are extremely important. The first one being process control. This is the control of your equipment, your machines, your chemicals, things like that you have to watch over. How to set up an SPC, Statistical Process Control, to ensure that the machines and the equipment and the chemicals and other things are working within the process design parameters that are necessary. The second is the human aspect, setting up what they call in lean manufacturing a poka-yoke. In other words, how do you error-proof each and every job so the odds of somebody making a mistake while they're doing the assembly or some other operation is almost zero. It's easy just to put somebody on a job and set it up. It's hard to set up the job so that people can't make a mistake, that they just do the work. And this is really a difficult thing to do, but extremely important if you're going to have high quality. Remember, high quality really lowers your costs a lot. The third area is the quality system itself. How does the feedback loop happen? How do things happen so people know that what's going on and what's working inside the factory is correct? How do the operators know if they're doing a good job? How does the managers know if they're doing a good job? What is your feedback loop? Does your feedback loop include data from the customers? Obviously, customer data is really important. You might think you're doing well, but your customer doesn't think you're doing well. Through a good quality system with good feedback, you can change that. You can make some fixes in there. Next is supplier quality, probably one of the most important areas that people neglect. Your supplier's quality is your quality. Always remember that. And if your supplier is shipping you bad quality, odds are in favor that bad quality is going to get into your product and it's going to go to your customer. So the same 3 items we mentioned for you to work on, we would work on with the suppliers. Because again, thinking that your supplier is just some outside person that is going to ship you good parts is wrong. They have the same manufacturing process, the same areas to be able to make a mistake. And then the last one, which is the design of the product itself. Is your product designed for good manufacturability and quality? We're not talking about losing design intent. We're not talking about losing functionality. We're not talking about losing what the engineers want. But can the engineers and the designers take a look at this and say, oh, we could maybe change this a little bit. Everything else stays correct. It's what the customer wants, but it will make it easier for manufacturing to manufacture, and that way the quality will be higher.